Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to clean your MacBook. To clean up your MacBook, first of all you need to clean your cache. To do that, first of all select go and go to the folder and type library/caches, then hit on go. Now you are on your caches. To delete this all, first of all click on the command A. Select command A and then select command delete to delete all of these caches. You need your password. Enter your password, then all the caches are deleted. You can also delete by clicking the right click and by direct selecting move to trash. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.